Good day po. For today's video, we're going to tackle the three models of community organizing. So first po is we have locality development po. Si locality development po is nakafocus po siya sa pagpapalakas ng community through yung active participation ng mga tao. Itong dito po sa locality development is ina-encourage niya po yung mga members ng community na first mag-work together sila, mag-share sila ng ideas, and also mag-give sila ng mga sentiments nila. Nang sa ganun is ma-solve nila yung own problems nila. So yung approach na ito, si locality development is like vina-value niya or naka-focus siya sa cooperation, sa unity, and sa empowerment po ng community. Nang sa ganun is maging capable sila na masustain nila yung sarili nilang community and also para ma-solve nila yung own problems nila. And by that, and by this, by this model is parang na-help nito na ma-improve yung condition ng isang community. So, next naman po is yung si social planning. Si social planning naman po is, unlike kay locality development po, is si social planning is nakafocus naman siya sa systematic process and also mas structured siya compared kay locality development. So, dito sa social planning is pasok po dito yung paggamit nila ng mga datas, yung mga research, yung mga analysis na ginagamit po nila ito to identify the problems and to create solutions. So, ang pasok po dito sa model na ito is yung careful decision making, yung proper allocation ng mga resources and budget natin, and also yung mga designing of programs or yung mga policies po. Nang sa ganun is ma-ensure talaga na effective nating ma-address yung needs ng community. So parang ang focus talaga nito is ang focus ni social planning is more on being organized, being evidence-based, and also goal-oriented din siya to achieve the long-term results for the community. The third one naman po is yun po yung um, social development. So si social development naman po, ang aim naman po niya is ma-improve yung overall well-being ng mga individuals and communities by first promoting equality, inclusion, and also yung access to opportunity po. So basically, parang binibigyan ng karapatan yung lahat ng mga individuals and groups and families doon sa isang community na yon. Ang focus naman nitong social development na ito is to empower them. Parang nakafocus siya sa empowering people, sa pag-enhance ng skills nila, and also yung mga ma-enhance yung skills nila and ma-hone yung mga capabilities nila. And para na lang din ma-address yung social inequalities na meron sa communities if ever na meron man. So ang pinaka-goal nito is that ma-ensure na lahat ng mga tao doon sa community na yun is merong chance to live better. And kumbaga parang ma-reach nila yung full potential nila as an individual doon sa community na yun. So dito naman tayo sa pagkakapareho. First is yung kay locality development and social planning. So silang dalawa is concerned sila sa improving ng community condition and addressing yung mga needs ng mga tao sa community. But then, ang difference lang nila somehow is si locality development is um, nakafocus siya sa people participation and collective actions. While si social planning is nag-rely siya sa technical knowledge and structured process. But still, even ganun is both pa rin silang aim talaga nila is to create an effective um, effective solutions na kung saan makaka-benefit yung communities both sa locality development and sa social planning. Next naman po is si locality development and social development po. 'Di ba medyo magkalapit lang sila like development. Both naman sila is naka-emphasize both si locality development and social development is ini-emphasize nila is yung empowerment and also yung improving ng quality of life ng mga tao or community members. But then, si locality development is nag-build siya ng strong relationship and encourage dito is yung participation within the community. While si social development naman is ina-expand niya yung opportunities and promotes inclusivity. So, parang together, parang they help to create a community wherein both united and progressive yung committee na yun. Like, kumbaga, united sila as one since nakabuild sila ng relationship, and also progressive sila kasi they are honed with skills and knowledge, and also yung mga capabilities nila is na-reach na yung full potential. Then, after nun is yung si social planning naman and si social development. So, closely related sila or closely connected sila because si planning is nagpro-provide siya ng direction, while si development naman is nire-represent niya is yung outcome. So, basically, like si social planning is ina-ensure niya na yung programs are well-designed, organized, like tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, like 'di ba dapat si social planning is systematic process siya. When we say systematic process, meaning is like meron siyang sinusunod na um, pace, ganon. So, organized and well-designed talaga si social planning. While si social development naman, ini-ensure niya na all of those plans is magli-lead siya into real improvement ng people's life. Like, hindi lang siya matitenga sa pagpaplano, kundi um, parang like parang yung from planning to reality. So parang um, planning to reality in terms of like parang sa equality, yung access ng mga tao, committee members doon sa mga services, and also yung overall well-being na mismo ng community. So that would be all. Thank you. Bye.